make you a professional trader, a better trader. Okay, so let me go to the chart. Okay, so okay, let's we start with the USD chef. Okay, this is our S-trace analysis on USD chef. Okay, so the market actually moved according to our analysis yesterday, but it never went to that particular trigger. But anyway, it's went, you know, to the nearest to the point, and price rejected as well to the downstream. You know, so even though you never went to the area that we focused yesterday, so I can say it's a good analysis yesterday that we are done on USD chef. And USD Canada, basically when we done this analysis, the price is at this particular position. The price went on immediately without any the price in the morning. I think the morning here, somewhere here, 9 o'clock yesterday here, the price is here somewhere, and the price never came down, but straight away start moving up. Now we started rejected again. Okay, so that's on Canada chef. That's what happened. Okay, then he came back to the same position that he started in the morning yesterday. You saw that it just went up and came back to the same position. So it's just make a V shape there. Okay, USD Japan. Okay, now it's already moved. It's still, if I ask me, it's still a good sell at the moment. I told you, isn't it? Because I prefer going USD chef I prefer taking a sell position and USD chef instead of buy position, because sell position you are still safe, you know, compared to a buy position, because looking at the price and everything. So if you ask me, it's still a good buy, a good sell for USD chef because it's under this 200 EMA line. So hope, you know, see how is what they store for us today on USD Japan. So Great Britain Japan, it's a very good trade, you know, exactly it came down, you know, rejected from the area that we analyzed yesterday, then and it's moved up, you know. I can say it's moved up about 800 pips, okay, 80 pips or 800 units. So that's a good move, you know. So it went exactly from the place that we analyzed yesterday. So Great Britain USD is, I can say, is another a great analysis as well. It says it came down near to that the position, but it's not really went to the zone, but it's still a good trade. You know, it's went to the direction that we predicted, and it went up. I think this is the position we put, or you put a position. I think the position here is net, because the arrow is still there. I don't know. So maybe I moved up some picture, but it's a good trade. Okay, and Euro USD. There's another good trade. The price really went in to our buy zone and price rejected, you know. So that's another good analysis as well that we are done. So Australia USD, and there's another good analysis as well. The price came and went up again. So yesterday, I think we done a very good daily trade analysis, you know. So sometime so that's why I said you need to be consistent. Just stick to the formula that we have, and then that's a simple formula, because from here you know that how that you know, the price react, you know, according to what that we have. First thing, the thumb of the rule, when the price is below the 200 EMA, we just look for the sell opportunities, you know. So then we just mark, you know, when you're selling, so where will be the best selling opportunity for that particular pair. Okay, let us go to USD chef now. Okay, so what is the USD chef? If you ask me, USD chef is still on a sell, you know, it's still on a
Sales.
still,
Under EMA.
yes, it's still under EMA, so it's still good for
Sell.
sell. It's still good for the sell. So you just need to look for the best opportunity, you know, for where that you can enter. If you ask me the best opportunity, I don't see any changes. I think it still will be the same position here. Okay, there's no much changes when come to the analysis. Okay, it's depend on the when the UK market with the news and all that, and how the price going to react. If it's overshoot, if it's break this EMA 200 later on, then you know that you need to just hold on. Okay, you need to then you know when to exit. You know, the moment the price go above the EMA, then it's going to change trend. You know, so then you know where to exit your trade. You know, if you are in the trade. Okay, as I told you, this is the morning analysis. That what we are doing is just to give you a glance through how the market going to react today. This is without the filtration, of the news outcome of the news and everything. So that's why sometimes we give you a good angle for you to find, you know, the price can you know, to move that area. So by looking at that, I don't there's no changes for USD chart. Okay, the USD chart will be remain the same. The price is see, the price is going on the range now. You know, you're seeing that the price is going on the range. Okay, there's a two possibilities here. You know, you want to see whether the price going to go up or not. I'm going to show you another way of doing things. You know, what you do is that you see here the price. Okay, just try to see the, you know, the price. You know what the price is doing. The price is really trying to converge. You know, in a triangle here. You saw that the price are moving between this particular moment at the moment. Okay, it's all depend if this is a good triangle or not good triangle. Okay, so if this price move above, that might can go up. Then if we go down, break this line and break this lower low, you can see the lower low here. When the price break this particular lower low, and say not, if the price break this particular lower low, and say not, the price even can go further down. Okay, if the price cross this price here, then the price can move up further up. So that's the two direction that can happen. So that's why we just need to look how the market going to react. Since we're not going to enter the trade based on this one, so I said enter the trade, use the super trend. That will give you a better option where to enter the trade during the time. Okay, so at the moment we just leave it as it is. The price, there's no much movement on the price. What I can say based on the this morning analysis. So that will be a still this area will be still a good sell, because still below this 200 EMA. Okay, so you can earn a quick buck later on. Okay, when come to USD chart, okay, it's above. I think there's no much changes as well. There's a possibilities. Okay, so you saw that it's creating a lower low here. It's keep on creating a lower low. Okay, there's a tendency for the price to break this EMA today. So watch out, guys. This is another way. It doesn't mean that even though the price is above the 200 EMA, answer not. So it's say normally it's like you can see the line here. This is the first, second, the third one. Normally you will try to break this barrier. Okay, the thing can be break this barrier. So if you ask me, instead of, and by looking at this particular, even though it's showing above the 200 EMA, because it's created lower low, you can see it's created lower low instead of lower high. Since it created a lower low, so the price is just moving in a downtrend. If you look at the chart, you know, it's trying to grow and trying to there's a high chances the price might break this EMA and start going further down. So there's a possibilities on USD Canada. So by looking at that, what I can say, I look for the selling opportunities for USD Canada. Okay, So the selling opportunities, I will try to basically look at this area. This will be my area because I just putting this the tip of this thing. This will be my selling opportunities for USD Canada. Since so this will be my selling opportunity. The price, there's a tendency for the price to move down, okay, further, okay, after she making some pullback to this particular reason, there's a possibility is the price to come down, okay, by looking at the way that is created lower low here, okay, the price is started, you know, coming down, okay, so that can be the thing. Or this is very good strong EMA that as I said, basically in the morning it will go. There's about the movement from here to here, I can say there's about 300 pips, okay. Okay, let's see how that the market going to react, you know, later on, and then you can check on your on a 15-minute chart, you know, to find the entry point, you know, see how the market going to react later on at 4 o'clock. Okay, USD CHF. If you ask me USD CHF, I can say it is is going to create another pull down. As I told you, I always look for the sell opportunities. I think the sell opportunities for this USD CHF will be this area. Okay, this will be my sell opportunities, okay, which is 110.451. So this will be my selling opportunity for USD CHF, okay. Okay, so that will be the because I believe this EMA can go become a strong resistance for USD CHF. As I told you, I only prefer going USD CHF or not. I don't know about you guys, but on when come to USD CHF, you know, I like to take only a short position, you know, instead of taking a buy position. So that is my thing. So it's all depends on your individual, because I feel much more safer on a selling position on USD CHF. Great Britain, Japan. Okay, Great Britain, Japan, I can say is it started moving shape. The price can go higher to 154, you know, 154. Then after you reach the 154, the price might reject down, okay, by going to the top, you know, the tip, you know, it's all. Okay, this is the price. Okay, the price might move to this area. Okay, that's a price. Then after that, it started to coming down. So that is what five. So at the moment, the best buying position will be at the EMA. Okay, that will be the best buying position for the USD CHF. Still having showing a momentum of going up. Okay. So that will be for the USD CHF, you know, it will pull back to 1.152.864 to that particular region before it started moving up to 154. So that will be the by looking at the chart, that will be the possible way forward for this Great Britain, Japan. Okay. And when we go for Great Britain USD, so Great Britain USD, it's showing the same thing. There's a buying opportunities there. The buying opportunities will be at this particular area. Okay, just moved up. That will be my buying opportunities for this particular pair. So there's a two-way trade. I can say there's a two-way trade on this particular pair. Okay, since today is just a Thursday, so the price will start lingering around this particular price because you can see started seeing a big major movement on Thursday. always happens, on Thursday will be the big movement for these particular currencies. So since only
Today,
was it
today's Tuesday today.
today is Tuesday, so today's Tuesday will be the most of the prices, will start. There's no major news and all that. The prices will start doing a range market. Okay, so that's what I observe in many of the pairs. So only on Thursday you can see, on Thursdays the price will start rocketing, either direction, depending on the situation or the news that they're going to release and all that. So that is the thing. So but if you follow the golden rule in what I taught you by using the super trend, okay, you are safe side. Okay, you are safe side, you can exit the trade with a minimum loss, or you can exit the trade with some kind of profit. Okay, so that's why I say try to learn how to use how to use the effectiveness of the super trend. It gives you a peace of mind when to enter and exit the trade. Okay, and so you can find your entry point, without guessing. You don't need to guess, you just follow. Even I show you how to do scalping. If you are really interested, try to create one other account, try to put some kind of deposit in that particular account, try to do scalping. Don't mix up scalping and your normal trade and everything. um, so this scalping is that, you just like a video game, see how it goes, whether you can, if you get a confident on playing the scalping, you can make money. Then you can, the confident level in a forex trading will start increase. And a lot of people are making money out of scalping. Okay, if you bet, if you know how to use the scalping, even I do scalping. Sometimes I'm just relaxed, I just start doing scalping as well. So you earn a quick bucks. Sometimes I even one of my friend just earning 150 USD. One of my trader, he just earning 150 to 250 USD daily just by scalping. Nothing much, just in front of the computer, just do scalping. Then he started making 100 USD daily. you know so so that is the thing. So it's up to you. That's why I said, I teach you how to do the scalping as well, okay, later on. So that's why I said every day you join, I'll give you something. That's why I said don't try to, even though I'm going to post this uh, uh, the ideas or my coaching class this morning. This consider is not only ideas, it's plus the coaching class. Basically I'm giving you the coaching class every day. So I'm committed, I'm really committed to give, 9:30 sharp. How busy I am, 9:30 sharp you can see me in front of the computer. Okay, so try to utilize that the privileges that given to you. Try to attend, don't rely on the recording, because sometimes recording, you can't, there's no interaction. Here I can interact with you, that will be a better option. So that's why I said take your time. I'm not going to drag. Make sure that we'll finish it every day, one in 1 hour's time, by 10:30. Okay, that is the Great Britain USD. That's the best option, will be the buying option for this pair, will be to at this particular region. Okay, Euro USD. Okay, when you look at the Euro USD, I can say there's another buying opportunity. The buying opportunity will be around that particular region as well. Okay, EMA. So everything is in a good buying position now today. It's a good buying position. So that will be the buying position for Euro USD. Okay. Okay. So that will be the buying position, just on the EMA. So I have a strong feeling that the price will reject from the EMA, because it started, the price started moving up slowly here. Okay, so then we can see the price might achieve 1.919 very easily, at least to this particular region. The top of this, you can see, the price can go even up to, even 1.20. That's still a big, we saw that the way, because it's only changing. By looking at the bigger picture, you can see, how the graph formation has been changing. So now it's making a U-turn. The trend is started changing to uptrend, and so there's more high chances of for buying this particular pair than selling this particular pair. Okay, so that's why you need to have a broad idea how the market going to react. Okay, just looking at this, you just need to look at a broader time frame, by scrolling and make the chart in a smaller scale, so that you know how the market moves. Okay, so this will be because this is a very strong resistance. I can tell you, it's a strong resistance. Now it's going to become a strong support as well. So that's why I said, this particular EMA can become a strong support for the price to reject up. So let's see how the market unfold later on. Okay, Australia USD at the moment, I can say is still it's only broken that EMA. You saw it's broken the EMA. Okay, let us see how the market going to unfold. If you ask me, there's a high chances the market can go further up. There's a chances for the price to move up. So I can say this will be the best selling buying position for this particular, because the trend is so started trend. You can see the price is making a higher high here. From compared to this year, he already made a higher high here. So there's a possibilities that the price is moving into uptrend, and it's already at the EMA. So the EMA can be broken up, and then making up movement. So that will be, why I can say all that. See, normally I always compare USD chart. That's another trick that I use. And see USD chart. When I see USD chart is better is a lot more on a selling position, isn't it? So if when USD chart is a tendency of selling, so Great Britain USD, Euro USD, and Australia USD is more on a buying tendency. That means opposite of USD Japan direction. So remember that. Okay, if there's a tendency for USD Japan to going up, so the tendency for Great Britain USD, Euro USD, and Australia USD to come down. Okay, so remember that. So this is these three pairs, and compared to USD chart will be always the opposite direction. Okay, so there's no, I never seen so far out of my experience, even only few occasion that I seen the USD Japan move the same direction of these particular pairs. Always opposite. Most of the time is the opposite direction. Okay, that's why when you analyzing, okay, when you see analyzing this Great Britain Euro USD or Australia USD, you try to analyze on USD Japan as well. So USD Japan is basically on a sell. I can see more on a sell. As I say, I want to go sell. So there's a tendency for this market to go up. When it's coming down, these prices can go up. Okay, so I already done. Any questions so far? Hello guys, all are there?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understand.
Yes.
Understand.
Yes, sir, we are here.
Yes, Captain.
Okay, let us go. You want me to teach you all the scalping or not before we can move another thing?
Yes,
Yes,
sure,
yes.
sure.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, I just want to go scalping. Okay, I just go for Great Britain pairs. Okay, you can take any of the pairs. Okay, Great Britain pairs, because I say I lined up all my Great Britain pairs in a sequence here. Okay, and here scalping, I just need to go. Okay, at 1 minute. Okay, when you go 1 minute, basically. Okay. Okay, this is 1 minute chart, and every candle that form here is formed within 1 minute. Okay, it's formed within 1 minute. Okay, every 1 minute one candlestick will be formed. So it's very fast. You can see the candlestick, and after this candlestick within 1 minute another candlestick will form. So this is basically formation. Okay, let's say we take at 8 o'clock here. Okay, so I told you 8 o'clock is not. Okay, mark the line here 8 o'clock. Let's say you want to start, you can start as early as 8 o'clock on the scalping on this Great Britain pairs. Okay, 8 o'clock. Okay. Okay, you already marked 8 o'clock there. Okay, so it's sell, isn't it? And after 8 o'clock, you just wait. After 8 o'clock, okay, you're moving, the candle moving. 8:42. Okay, you got a signal buy, isn't it? Just buy. So what happened? The price moving up, isn't it? The moment you see profit, just sell.
Okay.
Done, isn't it?
Yep.
Very easy. Just follow the signal. You know, 1 minute candle. It's just the moment you got a buy signal, buy the pair. The moment you started seeing profit, you already made profit. You know how much it moved here. You can, you know, you can take a small profit out. Finish. Okay. Then after that, okay. Then you go for, you got another signal here. You got another signal, isn't it? Okay, sell. Okay, now you sell the price. Okay, sell, wait, the price is going up, wait, the price is not. The moment the price started going some kind of profit, giving you some kind of profit, just sell the pair. Okay, if the price, okay, even though it's not giving you a profit, then it started giving you a buy signal here, isn't it? So the moment it started giving you a buy signal, then exit the trade. So you enter the trade here and you exit the trade here, same price, isn't it? Hello, got it?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So you never lost and much, isn't it, on this pair, on this entry, because you sell, you never made profit, for example, but you got a buy signal. That means you close the trade.
Yeah.
So now you put a buy signal. Now what happened? Poof, the market shoot up, isn't it? You already made some good money there, isn't it?
Yes.
So you saw it's very easy or not to be scalping, to make money.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, there's no you know, a big knowledge that you required here. Is not like a rocket science that you need to learn. That's why it's a very simple, you know. That's why I said it's all up to you how you want to take this trade. Don't struggle yourself, enjoy what you're doing. I know, I bet you nobody will teach you this kind of secret, you know. I'm just open up and think I want you all to have a good life out of the trading, and so on. So that's the thing, you know. So let's say we go to Great Britain, New Zealand, you know, that's the Great Britain, Canada, Great Britain, New Zealand. So let's say we start what time? 8 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, put 8 o'clock sign. Okay, 8:02. We got a signal to sell, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you sell. You made profit, isn't it? See how much it moved.
Yeah.
Then after that, you see a buy signal. You put buy. You made profit, isn't it? Then after that, you got a sell. You sell. Then you got a profit, isn't it? You got profit.
Yes.
So what then? So now you got buy here. Okay, even though you put buy here, or you got signal, okay, close. That means there's a little bit of loss, no problem. Then you enter another sell, okay, and made profit again. And I think from morning to now, if you put like some trade, I think easily like $5 if you put 1 cent.